English Wellness Podcast.
Learn English and live well.
If you've ever felt stuck, like the words are in your head but just won't come out when you need them, this episode might change that. Because today, we're not just learning words, we're learning the exact words people use every single day in real life.
Yeah, like the kind of words that can help you order food, talk to your boss, make friends, or even just survive an awkward conversation.
Exactly. And here's the truth. If you miss these basic words, everything else becomes harder.
So don't skip this, seriously. This is like the foundation, the base, the if you get this, everything gets easier moment.
Hello, everyone, and welcome back to the podcast. I'm Mia, your host.
And I'm Leo. Hi, everyone. We're really happy you're here with us today.
Whether you're studying, commuting, or just relaxing, thanks for spending some time with us.
All right, I'm ready. Let's build some real English confidence today.
Let's start simple, very simple, the kind of words you use every single day.
I like simple. Simple feels safe.
Good. First word, hello.
Classic. You can't survive without this one.
Repeat after me. Hello.
One more time, a little slower. Hello.
Hello is a greeting. You use it when you meet someone.
Like walking into an office in London and saying, hello, good morning.
Exactly. Now let's add another one. Hi.
Repeat after me. Hi.
Again. Hi.
Hi is more casual. You use it with friends or people you know.
Now try this sentence. Hi, how are you?
Say it with me. Hi, how are you?
One more time, smooth and natural. Hi, how are you?
This is powerful. You can start almost any conversation with this.
Now let's answer that question. If someone asks, how are you? You can say, I'm fine.
Repeat after me. I'm fine.
Again, I'm fine.
But let's make it more natural. People often say, I'm good.
Say it with me. I'm good.
One more time. I'm good.
Now let's build a mini conversation.
Oh, nice. Real life mode activated.
Listen first. Hi, how are you?
I'm good. How about you?
Now you try. Repeat after me. Hi, how are you?
Now, I'm good. How about you?
You're doing great. Seriously.
Yeah, don't overthink it. This is exactly how real people speak.
Now let's move to another important word. Please.
Politeness level up.
Repeat after me. Please.
Again, please.
You use please when asking for something.
Like at a coffee shop in New York, can I have a coffee, please?
Say it with me. Can I have a coffee, please?
One more time, slower. Can I have a coffee, please?
Now another important word. Thank you.
Repeat after me. Thank you.
Again, thank you.
This shows appreciation, very important in both the UK and the US.
Now say this. Thank you very much.
Repeat after me. Thank you very much.
Great. Now let's combine.
Mini dialogue time.
Can I have some water, please?
Of course.
Thank you.
Now you repeat. Can I have some water, please?
Thank you.
You see? Real English. Simple but powerful.
And honestly, if you master just these, you already sound polite and confident.
Now let's move to daily life words.
The survival kit. First word, eat.
Repeat after me. Eat.
Again, eat.
Example. I want to eat.
Say it with me. I want to eat.
One more time. I want to eat.
Next word, drink.
Repeat after me. Drink.
Again, drink.
Example. I need a drink.
Say it with me. I need a drink.
Good. Now let's make it more natural.
I'm hungry.
Repeat after me. I'm hungry.
I'm thirsty.
Say it with me. I'm thirsty.
These are very common in daily conversations.
Like after a long walk in London, you're like, I'm thirsty. Let's get something.
Exactly. Now let's move to travel situations.
Airport English. Let's go.
Important word, ticket.
Repeat after me. Ticket.
Passport.
Say it with me. Passport.
Now a sentence. Here is my passport.
Repeat after me. Here is my passport.
Again, here is my passport.
Another useful sentence. Where is the gate?
Say it with me. Where is the gate?
One more time. Where is the gate?
You'll use this at airports all the time.
And trust me, airports are stressful. Simple English saves you.
Now hotel situation.
Fancy.
Word, room.
Repeat after me. Room.
Sentence, I have a reservation.
Repeat after me. I have a reservation.
Again, I have a reservation.
This is very important when checking into a hotel.
Now restaurant situation.
My favorite part.
Word, menu.
Repeat after me. Menu.
Sentence, can I see the menu?
Say it with me. Can I see the menu?
Another one, I would like this.
Repeat after me. I would like this.
This is more polite than I want this.
Yeah, I want this sounds a bit bossy.
Now let's move to office communication.
Professional mode on.
Word, work.
Repeat after me. Work.
Sentence, I have work.
Say it with me. I have work.
Another useful phrase, I understand.
Repeat after me. I understand.
And I don't understand.
Say it with me. I don't understand.
This is very important. Never be afraid to say it.
Yeah, pretending to understand? Bad idea. Always.
Now a polite office sentence. Can you help me?
Repeat after me. Can you help me?
Again, can you help me?
You can use this with coworkers, managers, anyone.
You're doing amazing so far.
Yeah, if you're still listening, you're already ahead of most people.
Now let's add a slightly more advanced phrase.
Level up time.
Could you please repeat that?
Repeat after me. Could you please repeat that?
Again, slower. Could you please repeat that?
This is perfect when you don't understand someone.
Another one. Can you speak more slowly?
Say it with me. Can you speak more slowly?
These phrases build confidence.
And they save you from awkward silence.
Now let's practice a short conversation.
Let's do it.
Hello.
Hi, how are you?
I'm good. I'm a bit tired.
Oh, I understand. Do you need help?
Yes, please. Can you explain this?
Now you repeat, step by step.
Hello.
Hi, how are you?
I'm good. I'm a bit tired.
Do you need help?
Yes, please. Can you explain this?
That's real English conversation.
Not perfect, not complicated, just real.
And that's what matters.
Honestly, people don't care about perfect grammar. They care if you can communicate.
Exactly. Communication over perfection.
If you're enjoying this, take a second, like the video, and subscribe to the channel.
It helps us continue making lessons like this for you.
And trust me, we've got a lot more coming.
Keep practicing with us. Say the words out loud.
Don't be shy. Your room is your practice zone. We're going to continue with more useful words and real-life conversations.
And we'll go a bit deeper next, more natural, more confident English.
Stay with us.
You don't want to miss what's coming next.
Welcome back. Now we're moving from confident introductions to natural flowing conversations. This is where English stops feeling like a lesson and starts feeling like life.
Finally, I've been waiting for this part.
Let's imagine you're at a networking event in New York. Someone comes over and says, "So, what do you do?"
Oh, job question again.
Yes, but now you can make it sound relaxed, friendly. Instead of just saying, "I'm a designer," you can say, "I'm a designer and I love creating things that make life easier for people."
Whoa, that actually sounds interesting, like I'm proud of it.
Exactly. People notice passion. Try it slowly.
I'm a designer and I love creating things that make life easier for people.
Nice. Now say it faster, natural, like a real conversation.
I'm a designer, and I love creating things that make life easier for people.
Perfect. You can even add a little story. For example, I recently worked on an app that helps people find nearby cafes quickly.
Oh, storytelling makes it sound alive.
Yes, that's the secret. People remember stories, not facts.
Got it. So simple fact plus story equals engaging English?
Exactly. Now, travel situations. Imagine checking in at a hotel in London. The receptionist asks, "Do you have a reservation?"
Simple answer, yes, I do.
Yes, but you can expand it naturally. Yes, I have a reservation under Leo Smith.
I have a reservation under Leo Smith.
Perfect. Add a friendly smile and you're golden.
Okay, what about small talk while waiting in line?
Good question. Always safe, weather, surroundings, or general mood. For example, busy day today, isn't it?
Busy day today, isn't it?
Perfect. Add a little personal touch. Yes, I'm traveling for work, but it's exciting.
Ah, so you give a little story.
Exactly. People connect with you that way.
All right, let me try full conversation. Hi, I'm Leo. I'm originally from Manchester, but I currently live in London. I'm a designer, and I love creating things that make life easier for people. Busy day today, isn't it? Yes, I'm traveling for work, but it's exciting.
That's very natural.
Feels good.
Now let's talk about social anxiety. Many learners freeze because they overthink.
Yeah, that's me.
Here's the trick. Focus on curiosity, not perfection. Ask questions, listen, respond naturally. For example, so, what do you enjoy doing in London?
Oh, I enjoy exploring museums and trying new restaurants.
Exactly. Then follow up. That sounds amazing. Have you tried the Tate Modern?
Yes, engaging, not memorized.
Yes. Real conversations equal curiosity, sharing, and listening.
I like that formula.
Now let's move to advanced linking words for fluency. And, so, because, but, however.
I always mess up with those.
No worries. Here's an example. I'm a designer and I love creating things that help people because it makes my work meaningful.
I'm a designer and I love creating things that help people because it makes my work meaningful.
Nice. You see how because connects the ideas smoothly?
Yeah, sounds like I'm thinking in English.
Exactly. That's the goal.
Okay, next.
Next, office conversations. Imagine your manager asks, "Can you tell me about the project you're working on?"
Oh, panic moment.
Keep it simple. Structure. Project, task, result. I'm working on a marketing app. My task is designing user interfaces. So far, we've increased user engagement by 20%.
That's clear. Let me try. I'm working on a travel website. My task is designing pages, and so far, bookings have increased by 15%.
Perfect. You're now speaking like a professional.
Feels good to express numbers and results. Makes me sound confident.
Yes, and even in daily life, numbers or small examples make your English real and believable.
Ah, storytelling plus facts equals credibility.
Exactly.
What about mistakes?
Everyone makes them. Don't pause too long, correct gently, and keep going. That shows confidence.
Got it. Confidence over perfection.
Now let's practice small airport conversation.
Okay.
Officer, do you have anything to declare?
I have personal items only.
Add a friendly smile. Yes, I have personal items only, just clothes and a laptop.
Yes, I have personal items only, just clothes and a laptop.
Perfect. Smooth and polite.
It's amazing how small phrases change the vibe.
Exactly. Small improvements create big impact.
Next, social situations?
Yes, meeting new people at a party in London. So, how do you know the host?
I'm a friend from work.
Better, I'm a friend of Sam's from work. We collaborated on a project last year.
Add story. Okay. I'm a friend of Sam's from work. We collaborated on a project last year.
Perfect. People love details.
I see. Not too much, not too little, just enough to be interesting.
Exactly.
All right. I feel like I can actually talk in English now.
You already can, but practice daily. Every morning, night, or commute, talk to yourself, repeat phrases, or imagine conversations.
Yeah, this is where real improvement happens.
And remember, even one sentence can change everything.
True. Like that first interview introduction could change your life.
Exactly. And you've already taken the first step by listening, practicing, and caring.
Thanks, Mia. I feel inspired.
And to everyone listening, you're doing amazing. Speak daily, make mistakes, learn from them, and your English will grow naturally.
Yeah, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to English Wellness. Keep practicing with us.
Because next time, we'll make your English not just good, but unforgettable.
Can't wait for that.
For now, go ahead, introduce yourself to someone today. Even if it's just a mirror, do it.
Yes, every small step counts.
You're growing, you're confident, and this is just the beginning.
All right, see you next time, everyone. Keep speaking, keep learning.
Exactly. Remember, your voice matters, your story matters, and your English can make it shine.
Let's make it happen. See you in the next episode.